Ever thought using baking soda into your toilet bowl? Does it bring any good result? Well, the results may surprise you, because baking soda does a better job than many high-end cleaning products. You can use baking soda to clean several things around your house. From fresh and smelly shoes to brighten up toilet bowl, baking soda is your all-rounder help buddy. So join us as we explore 20 best way you can use baking soda to your day-to-day life. Make sure watch till the end so you don't miss the best hacks. Let's get started. Number 20, stifle smelly sponges. Do you know how sponges get kind of gross after a few days? Instead of buying brand new ones, clean your existing ones. This allows you to get more life out of sponges. Use baking soda to refresh these scrubbers. Add a quart of warm water to a bucket. Spoon in 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Drop in your smelly sponges. Let them sit in the solution for 5 minutes or so. Remove them from the solution. Rinse them with fresh water. Sponges should be odor-free and good as new. Repeat every 2 weeks. Number 19. Freshen fruits and veggies. You've probably seen products marketed as a produce wash. Skip these sprays and make your own produce wash. Scientific tests have proven that baking soda removes more pesticides than bleach or produce a spray. Prepare a large bowl of water. Add a teaspoon of baking soda. Soak the fruits and veggies for a few minutes in the solution. Remove them from the water. Use a scrub brush to scrub off pesticides, then rinse under cold water. Pat them dry. It's best to do this when you arrive home from the store. This way, chemicals don't sit on your produce for too long. Number 18. Brighten dingy nails. Use a paste of 3 parts baking soda and 1 part water to brighten your manicure. Use a damp cloth to rub the mixture over your hands and fingers in a gentle, circular motion to exfoliate and smooth your skin. Rinse clean with warm water and apply polish as usual. Number 17. Fight bad breath. A baking soda and water mouth rinse can neutralize the acidity of plaque, which can contribute to bad breath. Just rinse your mouth with 1 teaspoon of baking soda per quarter cup of water. Swish good and hard to get out any little food particles that might be hiding in nooks and crannies. Number 16. Erase sweaty shoe smells. There's nothing worse than smelly, dirty, sweaty shoes. Baking soda to the rescue. The simple power of baking soda will remove smells from your shoes. All you have to do is sprinkle the soda inside your shoes. Let them sit overnight. The next day, shake the soda out of your shoes. Number 15. Kill insects. Baking soda is a safe and effective way to get rid of ants. Just mix baking soda and powdered sugar, then sprinkle it in corners or cupboards where insects are present. Number 14. Dishwasher booster. Adding baking soda to your dishwasher is an easy way to get cleaner dishes and a cleaner dishwasher in one. Just add a couple of teaspoons of baking soda to your dishwasher, along with your usual detergent. Baking soda is also a featured ingredient in my highly effective homemade dishwasher detergent. Number 13. Clean stained mugs. Use baking soda to erase stubborn tea and coffee stains from your favorite mugs. Simply sprinkle a bit of baking soda inside a wet mug to make a paste and scrub. Number 12. Clean up your cutting boards. There are 2 ways you can clean cutting boards. The first is to sprinkle baking soda on the board. Slice a lemon and use it as a scrubber to scrub the board with the soda. This helps deodorize it. Rinse it clean. The second way is to make a paste of baking soda and water. Scrub the board with the paste, then rinse it clean. Either way, you end up with sparkling clean cutting boards. Number 11. Preserve the color of cooked veggies. When cooking green vegetables, add a pinch of baking soda to the water and then bring to a boil as usual. The baking soda will help preserve the veggies' bright green color as they cook. Number 10. Remove burnt food from pots and pans. To remove burnt food from a pot or pan, fill it with water, add a bit of baking soda, and bring it to a simmer on your stovetop. Let it simmer for a few minutes to allow the food residue to soften up, and you'll be able to remove it much more easily. Number 9. Hygienic hairbrushes. There's no other way to say it. Hairbrushes get pretty gross. Make brushes brand new again with baking soda. First, remove hair from the brush by scraping the bristles with a comb. Fill a bowl big enough to hold your brushes, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Drop brushes inside and soak them for up to an hour. Remove them and rinse. Number 8. Freshen carpets. Sprinkle baking soda onto your carpets to absorb moisture and eliminate odors. Let it sit for 15 minutes before vacuuming it up. For a pleasant scent, stir a bit of cinnamon or a few drops of essential oils into the baking soda before using it on carpets. Number 7. A sparkling sink. Your sink sees a lot of action. Therefore, it gets pretty dirty. Shine it up with baking soda. Sprinkle the soda inside the sink. Use the spray bottle with vinegar to cover the soda. Scrub the inside of the sink. If the drain is clogged, use vinegar and baking soda to unclog it. Rinse with water. Number 6. Erase marks from painted surfaces. You can use baking soda to erase marks on painted furniture and even remove crayon from your walls. Just sprinkle baking soda onto a damp sponge, rub lightly until the stain is gone, then wipe clean with a damp cloth. Number 5. Fresh and smelly shoes. One of the best uses for baking soda is absorbing and eliminating odor from stinky shoes. It takes just seconds to make a baking soda sachet that helps remove stinky shoe odor overnight. Number 4. Scrub away wall marks. Whether it's a small smudge or sticky spot, little black marks are annoying. Make them disappear with baking soda. Add just enough water to make a paste. Apply it to the marks on the wall. Rub the paste in with a soft sponge. Then, use a damp cloth to remove the paste. Pat the wall dry, and the marks should be gone. Number 3. Remove corrosion from batteries. Since it's alkaline, you can use baking soda to remove the acidic corrosion on car batteries and other batteries. Create a paste by mixing baking soda and a bit of water. Then disconnect the battery and apply the pasty to corroded areas and scrub. Remove the pasty and corrosion with a damp cloth, then swipe a bit of Vaseline on the terminals to keep them clean. Number 2. Dry and deodorize wet mattresses. Speaking of little ones, baking soda can help you dry and deodorize mattresses after a bedwetting incident. Use towels to soak up as much moisture as you can from the mattress. Then sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the entire damp area and let it sit for 2 hours. The baking soda will not only draw out the remaining moisture in the mattress, but it will also eliminate odors and leave it smelling fresher. When the baking soda dries out, vacuum it up, then spritz the mattress with a solution of equal parts water and vinegar. Number 1. A brighter bowl. Those blue toilet cleaners not only smell awful, but they're made with terribly toxic ingredients. Avoid this by using the natural cleaning power of baking soda to clean and deodorize toilets. To attack your toilet bowl with baking soda, sprinkle a cup of the baking soda around the inside of your toilet. Follow this up with a cup of vinegar. Then, clean something else for 20 or 30 minutes while the mixture works. Use your usual toilet brush to scrub the inside of the bowl like you normally do. Flush, and enjoy a clean, white bowl. And that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you so, then don't forget to check our most popular videos on our channel as well. Until next time, goodbye.